Do you want longer, thicker and healthy hair without chemicals? Today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a powerful DIY leave-in spray using natural ingredients that boosting hair growth and shining and adding strands. Please, before starting the video, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Let's dive to the video, guys. This recipe is combined with rosemary, clove, hibiscus with moisturizing oils. So now, before starting, you guys, you can see that I bring my hot water. I'm already boiled the hot water, put it aside. So now I'm pouring the hot water inside my bottle. So the next thing, when you put the hot water inside like that, as we all know, the bottle is going to be hot. So I bring spoon to make sure that I mix everything again together. So the ingredients that I use is rosemary, lavender, clove and hibiscus. So those ingredients that I use to infuse this leave-in spray. I'm going to leave it for 12 hours. So now after put it like this, you have to cover it and put it in the dark corner. Now you can see the color. So let's continue. I'll continue the video tomorrow. Okay guys, so this is the next day I bring it out. So I was thinking that I'm filming it, not knowing that I didn't film it before opening it, but no problem. So now after straining it, you can see how the color is changed. The color is changed now and it's looking so beautiful. This is the way that is going to nourish your scalp and help you to get the faster hair growth that you are looking for. So guys, now after straining it this way, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the necessary ingredients, the one that will make this spray to make it look more powerful, to look more healthy when you are going to use it for your scalp or your hair. So now I bring this infusing oil. Please, if you want to check out, you can check the description below or you can check it from my channel. You see how I infuse this oil. This one I infuse it for my daughter. So I'm going to put the oil inside. That one I put 1 tablespoon inside. Okay, because why am I using, because I'm putting this one because this one is for my daughter hair oil. So we don't use the same. She's having low prostate, I'm having high prostate, but no problem. For her oils I can use it, but for her she cannot use my oil because mine is heavy and her oils is light. So after add my 1 tablespoon of infusing oil, the next time I'm going to add some few drop of peppermint essential oil. So that one I put inside, you guys are seeing. So the next essential oil is rosemary essential oil. So guys, watch to the end because after that I'm going to summarize the benefit of these ingredients for you. And also, if you want, you can also check the description below. I'll write everything there so that you can see everything and understand the benefit. So now I'm going to add organic oil, essential oil, argan essential oil. So that one also, guys, before all the essential oils that I'm adding, it's not looking like you also have to get the same one to put inside. If you don't have the same essential oil, the essential oil that you have in your hand, just use that one and put inside. So now my next oil is vitamin E oil. So I'm adding my vitamin E oil inside. So after add this thing, guys, stay tuned because the magic, or I'll show you guys how to apply it. It will count the ending of the video. I'll show you how the way that you can apply it to get a good benefit. Now I'm adding my apple cider vinegar. This one also I'm just going to add it maybe 1 tablespoon because of this spray is going to be a leave-in spray. So that is why when you are going to do and you want to add the apple cider vinegar inside, you have to make it less because you know it's very strong. Sometimes the smell alone can kill you. So if you don't like apple cider vinegar smell, so you can just add some small inside to spice your leave-in spray. So after add everything, I added my ingredients inside now. So there is one more thing that I'm going to add inside. So that one is optional. If you want, you can add it. If you don't want that one, you can skip that part. But for me, I really love when I'm doing this thing, I add honey inside. So I don't skip it without adding honey. So now I put 1 teaspoon. I didn't put tablespoon, 1 teaspoon honey inside, because it's also help your hair to make it more softer. Anyway guys, I will tell you the benefit the ending of the video, so stay tuned and watch to the end, okay? And also, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. Guys, they stole they hacked my account, my Gmail account. So my main channel, now I cannot get access to my main channel, and one of my sisters, she told me that she can contact with YouTube people in Twitter, which I do, but they give me form to fill. I'm telling this whoever that is watching this video and you have ability to show me how I can do to get channel ID. So now I just log from that place because I don't know how I can do to get my channel ID. Mind you guys, my channel, I cannot get access and enter my main channel, so that make me to get that ID is very difficult. So anyone who can help me and you are listening to me, or you know someone who can help me and you are listening to this, please just check under, you will see my email there. You can email me and tell me how you can do to help me to get that ID. Thank you very much. So now let's continue the thing. Now let's look at the benefit of these ingredients or this spray. Rosemary and lavender is boosting blood circulation to the scalp and promoting faster hair growth, reducing dandruff. When you are using lavender and rosemary, that is the benefit that you can get while you are putting it into your hair. Please guys, stay tuned because I will apply it to my daughter, teach you people how you can apply it into your scalp or into your hair. And when you check about clove also is stimulating hair follicles and also preventing shedding and adding natural shine to your hair. If you are having shedding and you are using clove also is something that can help you to reduce that thing, or that thing will stop. You will stop getting that shedding, will not come again, it will not come to your way again, it will go some far away and leave you alone. So now as you are going to do it, if you have plenty hair, I can only advise you divide your hair into 2 sections, as the way I divided my daughter hair. But no problem, I can even still spray it into my daughter hair like this, because you can see the scalp is clean, you can, and the hair is not like that. Maybe I can say I cannot, if I'm going to put the spray into her hair full like that, it will not enter, it will enter. But if you have long, your hair is many, then I would advise you divide it before you use the leave-in spray into your hair. So while you are making it this way, do it and massage your scalp, okay? So while I'm doing it, let me continue telling you people the benefit of the ingredients that we are using. So hibiscus also is nourishing hair root and thicker hair, preventing spill ends. So hibiscus also is something that can prevent your hair and give you more natural things that you are looking for to grow your hair faster. When you are using hibiscus, it's something that is going to help you to grow your hair very faster and thicker. Because why am I saying, mind you, hibiscus is nourishing your scalp. So all the healthy hair is coming from the healthy scalp. If your scalp is healthy, definitely you are going to get healthy hair, or definitely you are going to grow your hair longer. There is nothing that will block you for you not to grow your hair if you have healthy scalp. So now when you check about this infusing oil, also it's also carrying nutrients and deep into your scalp. So it's very good if you can do your own infuse your own oil, or you get good products and you buy the oil that you can be using, you know that that oil is good for your hair, it's your hair type oil, then you have to be doing it and using it the right way to get the result from it. So when you check about honey, honey also is adding moisture to your hair, locking the moisture, keeping your hair more softer and very manageability if you're adding honey into your routine. There are so many properties and vitamins that you can get from this thing, because I don't want the video to be too much long, so I'm just going to summarize the benefit of it. But after I'm saying like this, if you also want to use it, no problem, you are free to do your own research also before using it. If you are thinking that, oh, I wanted to do but use it, but this results that I'm getting, it's not something that I want. But for me, as I don't need to say anything, because when you see the beginning of my daughter hair and now you see the hair that my daughter is carrying, I can see a big changes. But for now, I'm not saying anything. We'll see it by December, because we started it the beginning of this year. So by the end of this year, you guys will see my daughter hair the difference, because I still have those, the beginning, the videos, and now also the videos what is going on. So let's continue. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also is repelling dandruff in your hair and also supporting scalp healthy. And also glycerin also is keeping hair moisture long. If you are putting glycerin or adding glycerin into your routine, it's something that will keep your hair moisture, keep it more soft and manageability. My daughter is started playing now. She just want to play. Look, so all these things, when you are using it, please, you have to know that there is a benefit of it. When someone say you should use, it doesn't matter that the person just talking or making content. The person know what she is talking about, because she's seeing the result and she think that maybe it can help you also. That is why we are bringing out to share with you guys. Okay, so sorry. So please guys, if you watch it up to this point without subscribing, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I'm reminding you people, and I said it in the beginning or the middle of the video, they hacked my main account. So all my subscribers, I don't know how I can do to get them back, how they will know that I'm the one doing this. But I know some people, if they see Princess, they will recognize that it is us, but they will be wondering why are we not using our main channel. We have a new channel now, and the channel, so I need you guys to support me by subscribing and sharing, so that those who was following us or subscribe to us, they may get our videos again and start to follow us or start to subscribe to us one by one, for us to get our subscribers back. So please support me, and by watching, by subscribing and sharing. We need you guys support, okay? And I'm sure that what I'm doing, even if you are not interested with natural hair care, please, if you know someone and the person love natural hair, try to share the video with the person, so that the person also will benefit something from it. So after spray everything and put your liquid oil to massage your scalp and massage your hair also, what you need to do, you can use your butter or leave-in conditioner. If you have, you can use it to steal the moisture into your hair. And if you don't have and you have butter, use your butter to steal the moisture into your hair. So all the time when you make protectable style, also always make sure that you close the end of the hair. Make sure you see how I do the other side. This is the way that I'll do this side also, because when they say protectable style, it's not like making your hair is the protectable. The protectable is how to maintain and your ends, your hair, the ends, to maintain your hair length. If your hair is growing and you cannot maintain the length, that means it's just you are just wasting your time. You will grow your hair by the end of your protectable style. The time that you open your protectable style, half of your hair it will go. How? Why? because you are not using using it in the proper way. So if you buy product, please read it. They may give instructions how you can apply the thing. What the person said, the product, the person said, you have to do it that way and protect your hair from breaking, so that to get the benefit from that product. And if you are doing by yourself, then you have to know how you can do to maintain it very well and use it correct way. So this is what we have today to share with you people. Now I finished hydrating my daughter hair. You see how I do? You make it for 12 hours, or you can do it 6 hours, no problem. So after that, daily, at least use it at least 3 to 4 times in a week. If you want, consistency is the key. The most important is the consistency. Whatever that you want in this life, you have to be doing it in consistency. When you are doing it consistency, you will get what you want. Okay, we come to the ending of the video. Thank you very much, guys.